Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's episode, we're going to do something a little bit simple. We're going to be working on Dax and replacing his front emblem. The factory one is kind of bleached out, delaminated, and doesn't quite frankly look good. I kind of like the Ford emblem the way it is with the color, without any type of aftermarket effects to it. Kind of like the factory stock look. So let's go check out the original, the one that came on the truck that's bleached out, and we'll check out the new one, and then grab some wrenches and tools and sockets and all that fun stuff and get on the replacement. Shouldn't be too hard, should only take probably about a half an hour. Haven't taken it apart yet, so I don't anticipate any problems. If there are, I'm sure they'll rear their ugly head and we'll have to deal with it as it comes along. So let's go jump in and see what awaits us. So as you can see, the Ford emblem is all worn out, delaminated, and doesn't look good. So I do have the new one here in the back, and it's basically, I bought it from the dealership, so it's kind of brand new. So that's what the new one should look like. This one here in the back, it's got two tabs, and then I think the middle part is where it gets screwed in. So we're gonna go grab some tools and start taking the truck apart and getting this thing looking the way it should look. Okay everybody, we're under the hood. I opened it up. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts to take out, and then we're going to just use this one here. It's not going to take too long to get it out. Hopefully you guys can see that good. I'm just trying to make sure I'm within eyesight. Here we go. Don't need a ratchet because these ones actually are coming out pretty easy. It's actually one of the nicest weeks we're gonna have. I think as of Friday, everything is going to be changing for not the better. So we'll see how that goes. Now that that's out, never taken one of these up. I didn't see anything on YouTube about replacing front emblems. There's a few, but they didn't get in depth too much. Oh, this one looks like it's going to be very easy to do. Just went into that, and looking down there, it looks pretty simple to get at. So let me see how to take. Okay, this one basically a tab. That one just doesn't really show anything. I want to break the grill. Okay, I see how this works. I think you just may need a screwdriver to poke this back, or I'm gonna get something else. Let's see. Okay, so what this is here is I've got to loosen that somehow, and then I've got to pull on these two tabs, or just push up on it to get that out. That's gonna be weird. I'm sure there's an easier way. Of course, if you had better tools than I do, this wouldn't be such a bad deal. Okay, that should work a little bit better. Push this back. Okay. This one can go back. So this has got to go first. Not sure if you can see that in there. To replace the emblem, there's a little thread here. I think that's a little lock nut or something that I kind of have to twist off. And I'll have to go see if I have some pliers, something that can get into that. Or if it's just a keeper and I can just pull it off somehow. By kind of doing this. That's so weird. Okay, that was fast. It just kind of broke off, being so brittle. Okay, so that popped it up. So guys, there's the old emblem. I broke that tab off, So hopefully the new one fits on there. Let's go. So we got the new guy here going on there. To be honest with you, this job was not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. So far we got this one. It's gonna go right into that there. Oh yeah, it's gonna look a lot better. Okay, so I think you're just gonna be popping it back into place. This is just a little keeper. I don't think it's gonna do much for it. So guys, yeah, so that's basically push these clips down and it keeps it on there. This thing broke off, so I'm not sure, just like a little thread. Not sure if you can see it. Kind of just threads on there, but I don't have any threads. It's just kind of a no, I'm not going to worry about that at all. It's kind of, oh, that looks so much better. That looks so much better. Not sure if you guys can see the difference over there. That looks good. This is like a 2-minute job. You're not really working your tail off trying to get that done. So I'll put this one back. Took all about 5 minutes. So if you're ever looking at doing a replacement, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to take the grill back. It'll pop up enough where there's 2 tabs that keep these on. You'll have to kind of bend them back. This broke off. Again, it's old plastic. I mean, it's not gonna last long. You don't really need it. As far as I'm concerned, I think it's just the way they manufacture it. It's just easy to go in there. And then that pops out, and then the new one pops back in. She ain't going nowhere. It's pretty solid in there, and everything is back. So let's go take a look what it looks like with the hood shut. And yeah, I'm kind of pleased the way it's going. So guys, before you shut the hood, just make sure you didn't leave anything under the hood to get crunched, and clean your workspace up. I know Dax here is desperately needing an engine shampoo, but I did give it a bit of a quick blast off, not too much. I'll maybe do a technical shampoo in the next little while. Probably coming up for its oil change in another 2,000 kilometers. But yeah, let's shut the hood and kind of regale at its. Love those horns. What do you guys think of those? I'll have to do a video on it. I didn't do a video of me putting them on, unfortunately, but anyway, that's Dax for you. The Western truck to the last nut and bolt. So there's the new Ford Emblem. Looks really nice. Looks proper on the truck, and yeah, I like it a lot better. So that's well, guys, perfect. I hope you really enjoyed that turbocharged quick episode. It didn't take much at all. I mean, anybody with a set of wrenches or socket set could do that in about 10 minutes, and then clean up and go have a cold one, which is all about working on trucks. So yeah, definitely next couple episodes I'll be working into the truck. We'll give you Dax a little bit more of it. So guys, hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you're new around here, I'm Jeff Cordetti, your host with Cordetti Motorsports, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next episode, and leave a comment and let me know what you think. Have a good one, guys. Stay loose for now.